to Gatwick. The local time here is 5 o'clock. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. This is important as we may have to stop suddenly or more than once whilst taxiing to our parking stand. Please make sure that you do take all your personal belongings with you today by checking in the seat pockets, underneath the seats and in the overhead lockers. Please do take care when using the lockers as items may have moved during the flight and they could fall out. All devices used for messaging, calls and internet access must remain switched off until the aircraft doors have been opened, and just a reminder that smoking is not permitted until you reach designated smoking area. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, it has been our pleasure having you on board, and we'd like to wish you all a very safe and pleasant onward journey. Thank you and a very good evening.